Hey y'all, this is Jake and I have my almost 8-year-old daughter with me and we're going to unbox this Reeve Large Inkosi. Say hello.
Hi.
Real quick first impressions, because I got to go upstairs and take the other one to bed and she's 2. All right, professional unboxing here. And I'm going to hand it, I didn't cut towards you, you're good. I'm going to hand this to Kate. I'm going to hand this to Kate and see what she thinks. Here, Kate. You get to give me your first impressions. Take it out.
Daddy, do you know what the knife is?
I do know what it is.
What?
Stay right there. What do you think? I love the color. I like the dark handle. Stay on the camera. Stay right.
It's okay.
Okay. What about compared to my Hinderers?
I don't like it as much as the Hinderers.
You know what the Hinderers are, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It's really cool, but I just don't like this part of it.
Which part?
The part where it's
the micarta?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's the only part that I was able to actually be okay with buying this knife, because the plain ones, I don't like at all. And this one's an S45 VN. I do love this finish because those light finishes, they're really...
I don't like the color either.
Okay, let me see about the closing. Oh my gosh, that is glassy. This thing has huge washers, okay? See how big those phosphor bronze washers are? Can you see them in there?
Sure.
Okay, go see if mommy's ready. Go see if mommy's ready.
Okay.
Okay, actually, I like this.
Avery's still in the bath.
Still in the bath. Okay, so here's something that's interesting. We're gonna grab my Hinderer and we're gonna look at the lockup. Hold on. Tell them about you being ready for Santa.
I can't believe that tomorrow's Christmas! Nice.
You're not on camera.
I'm not on camera.
Okay, the first thing I notice is, so, go see what she wants. I think we're done here. The lockup's weird. Look at this. Look at that lockup. That's like 100%. Okay. All right, maybe I'll upload this just like this. Why not? It's fun. Why is the lockup like that? Is it supposed to be completely all the way over? I do like it. I actually like it. It's glassy. That's one way to describe it. And it's large and it's comfortable. All right, later, y'all. Jake's cool stuff. Follow me on Instagram. Jesse Cruz. Jesse sent me this. So, thanks, brother.